Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk, where we dive into the fascinating world of developer tools and the evolving landscape of software creation. So, have you ever wondered how the right tools can completely transform the way we code? Well, that's precisely what we're diving into today. I mean, think about it. It wasn't long ago that coding was often a solitary endeavor, filled with trepidation and a hefty amount of trial and error. But now, we have an array of tools at our fingertips. Tools that not only make coding easier, but also more collaborative and secure. For instance, let's talk about GitHub Copilot. You might be familiar with it, but if not, it's this incredible AI-powered tool that assists developers by suggesting code snippets as they type. Think of it as having a pair of extra hands, or maybe a really smart coding buddy who can help you find better solutions and speed up the development process. Crazy, right? You know, it reminds me of that scene in a sci-fi movie where the character has an AI helping them navigate complex problems seamlessly. And speaking of security, which is also a hot topic right now, tools like GitHub's security features help developers find and fix vulnerabilities in their code. In our digitally driven world, we hear about data breaches all the time, and these proactive measures are crucial in safeguarding our projects. I mean, would you ever skydive without a parachute? Similarly, why would we venture into development without proper security safeguards? Now let's touch on workflow automation. You know how sometimes those mundane tasks can feel like a brick wall you just can't get through. Well, tools like Actions on GitHub automate those repetitive tasks, allowing developers to spend more time being creative rather than being bogged down with the nitty-gritty. Imagine automating your coffee maker for that perfectly brewed cup. It's kind of like that. Then there's the idea of collaboration. GitHub Discussions allows teams to collaborate outside of code, building an environment where creative ideas can flourish. Picture a brainstorming session with post-it notes and coffee cups. It's all about capturing that synergy, right? And let's not forget the importance of community. The GitHub Sponsors Program is a fantastic example of how we can fund open-source developers actively contributing to projects that we all benefit from. It's like being a part of a thriving ecosystem where everyone's contributions matter, a huge value add. As we wrap up, let's reflect on how these tools are not just changing the way we write code, they're reshaping the entire programming landscape. With AI, enhanced security, and collaborative platforms, we're moving towards an era where coding is more than just a task. It's an innovative journey. So, as a thought-provoking closing question, let me ask you this. How do you think the future of coding will evolve in the next decade with these emerging technologies? Thanks for tuning into Tech Talk. Keep exploring new tools, stay curious, and I'll catch you next time.